Hey, here's Christoph, the founder of Trusted, and I'm going to give you a quick introduction and guide how you can add easily content to our platform. We really think about user experience and how we can make it easy for users to add any kind of content, and that also in a streamlined process. Still remember, this is an MVP and we are going to enhance and optimize features over time. But let's get directly into it. First of all, we want to really make it simple for users to add the content. So if you have already existing content, for example, on your own blog or on Medium or another website, you can, which is publicly available, you can easily add the content by clicking here on remote content and then adding an URL. We just have an URL from a post which is already on Trusted, and we click on insert, and then it will fill out all the fields which are mostly available. You still have to choose some, but you see it is choosing the thumbnail, which it found. It's choosing a title. We have thought about SEO, so it automatically adds a canonical URL to the source URL. So yeah, that's here. Then you find the text, including URLs, and then the right markups. Sometimes, depending on the site where you import the content, it might not work perfectly, but then you just can easily go inside and edit any kind of content, or for example, add an image by clicking here, embed the video or similar. And then once you're done, you can add here a topic. In the future, we want to, of course, automate that. But now you can say, for example, this article is about AI. You choose then the topic and so on. You add a disclaimer, for example, that this post was produced in assistance with AI, but it was checked by you. And if you want, for example, if this post is somehow related to a tool, you can just simply connect the information by adding here, for example, a tool or several tools, and in the future also any kind of product, course, or any other content which is listed on the platform. So then once you're ready, you can say publish, and then it publishes the post. You will get the message that it's successful. Might take a few seconds. Overall, of course, we want to optimize the performance of the page. And then you see here the article is published. You see at the top, you can go back and edit it, or share it. That's it. That's how easy it is to add content to your trusted profile. Thank you for watching, and hope to see and read interesting and great articles on our platform from you. Thank you, and see you soon.